Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make 2 tropical room decoration ideas that are great for summer. Let's get on with the video. You want to draw or print out some different shapes of palm leaves, and you want to cut them out. Then you want to trace the leaves onto any color of cardstock paper, and then you want to cut them out. You can make as many leaves as you want. I made my leaves on pink and gold cardstock paper. When you're done making your leaves, you can lay out how you want your leaves to look like on your garland, and then you can tape them onto a piece of string, thread, or a piece of twine. Then you can put tape on the ends of the garland, and then you can put it onto the wall. You want to get a pillow that's already been made, or you can make one yourself. You want to print and cut out different shapes of palm leaves. Then you can lay the leaves out on your pillow to see how you want your pillow to look like. Then you want to lightly trace the leaves onto the pillow. You can put as many leaves as you want onto the pillow. When you're done tracing your leaves onto the pillow, you want to paint the leaves any color that you want. I painted mine pink and green. When the paint is dry, and if you need to, you can erase any pencil markings that are on the pillow. Then you'll be done with the pillow. How you make these tropical room decorations. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about these DIYs, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more DIYs. I will see you in the next video. Bye!